Yeah. I didn't expect him to shoot, but I immediately died.
I'd have robes. Oh my god, bro.
Uh,
Sorry. Oh my god, I thought it killed you.
ready. Sorry. Someone came here and take the dishes. I'm gonna bomb you so I can just see what's in the back there. Yeah, it's probably BM level, but I don't see it yet. Yeah, it's not right side. I saw it just now. Yep. Careful. Move it. Well, I'm waiting on it to...
Nothing. This hasn't. Come on, come on, come on. Medic, medic.
Ready. Oh my god. Oh. Please don't die. Medic, just use medic. Also, I just want to kill myself. Okay. Well, we can just switch all the items once I die. Someone's attacking me here. Someone's attacking me. Might as well get Kapala as well.
Oh my god, bro. Can someone pick up? Yeah, I'm sorry.
The jetpack.
It's at the top.
Don't leave it. Okay, you can go. Mm. Oh.
Do you think that thing will work? And oh, it's too many. Yeah, it's too many. Yeah, like players, like the Tiamat thing.
Be careful, careful. Really. Hmm. That sounds way too risky. But that sounds very funny. Hmm. Someone grabbed the child and then threw the child or something immediately.
Yeah, yeah, I think that was kind of part of it.
Um, where's the child? Okay, the child is okay. Uh,
I
um,
don't know.
I have bombs, yeah.
I
Not.
have bow. I have bow. There's only thing in there.
There's no challenge. You can go.
20.
Yeah.
There.
At the end of this level, let's wait and level transition so we can figure out our game plan. Alright, 1 second. Let me just. I can do top right.
Oh no. Middle, right?
I'll do top right.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do middle. Yeah, I'll do that.
I have exit. Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me?
Watch out for egg if you don't want it.
That's not
That's
fair,
fine.
man. It's not fine.
Where did that came from?
We got fucking sniped by one lizard that
On
came
the
across
bus.
the loop. It came from the right side, I think. Just extremely unlucky. We had no room to react. It was pretty much over. That sucks. Whatever. Well, you not be too frustrated. Yeah, let's just not get hit. Let's go. That is frustrating, I'm not gonna lie. Mm.
Last.
I don't know, I feel so cheated. Like, what was that bullshit, man? Oh, that was quick.
I see his coffin. Is shot going right?
Another one angry.
I have exit. Gonna camp it.
Okay, I got
I'm
last.
checking with the right side.
There's one right side.
Mole in the loop, mole in the loop.
It's in front of you, beep. Oh,
I'm gonna camp. There's another below me though. Gonna camp again.
last.
20. Spider coming down. I have exit. Holy shit.
You guys whip. I'm not okay.
Hear it. I see it. I have exit. Careful, spike ball.
Check top.
I have exit again. Thank you for not whipping. This is
my
great. There's
loop, oh my loop.
bodies coming your way. I have exit soon. Spike shoes, let's go. I have exit. I'm not gonna move. Check right side, I haven't checked at all. Now I have spike shoes, I'm gonna play a little bit more. I have exit. I think everything's on left side. I have it.
Last.
These. I have exit.
Oh my god, it bounced to an orb because of
I have
iframes.
exit. My bad.
Fine. You guys have it?
No.
Oh,
Exit
right side.
probably top right.
I have it.
Yeti coming your way. Okay. I think it's all right, so I haven't really checked them. Yeti flying. Nice. I see Lost Star. Thank you for doing it, because I had no access to it. Yeah. Lost. A billion Zhongxi, I'm not gonna move. There are just so many I didn't want to move. I was pussy. Shit. Awesome. I'm gonna camp.
Oh, sorry.
It's all good.
So,
Last.
yeah, that's what I will go for. The damage I took was my fault, though, so...
Love.
I got that. Yeah.
Watch out, Iron Loop.
Nice.
Exit top middle.
Boomerang looping. There are two orbs bottom right. I can't access them.
Oh my god, okay, you left.
I'm gonna camp. Check directly left to the exit.
Oh, I see last.
Mm. I've exit again.
Second year, last time. Oh my god, a lot of
Hey,
my
last.
helmets.
It's accessible. I can get it. I've exit. Nice. Small level.
Saw one above. Like, yeah.
I've exit.
Yeah, you got it.
I almost died. That was cool.
Why did I jump into the loop? Could have died. I'm camping.
Yeah.
I'm camping again. This is
Hmm.
got one. Oh my god, how tall?
I'm just gonna jump into the jelly. Is that fine?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, arrows in the loop. Oops, yeah. Where in the hell's the jelly? Bottom of the okay. I'm on my way to so I can die. Don't leave.
Can you get the jetpack and leave? I found one coffin here. I'll get your
Ready?
exit.
Gonna camp. Exit. Get a year away. Oh, okay. I see last. Over there together. Have exit. Gonna camp it.
Got
Check
it.
right side. I could.
Exit below me. Two.
Have exit.
checked top.
I hear an orb. It's up.
I
Above
see
me.
it, see it.
No, I'm not gonna count.
Sorry,
It's not
sorry
for a
for
little
that.
bit. I have exit.
I see all three. There's
I have
one
exit.
like see last above me. I'll pop it soon.
I just
Okay, I
like,
lose.
yeah, I just did that. I should have said where the exit was. I kind of forgot. Top right for me. Nice.
Oh, a magma loop probably.
Gonna camp exit. Yeah, this magma looping right side is coming to the left.
This middle. I'll pop these.
I lost. Oh, right, okay. I got it soon. Sucks, but I got it. I'm sinking so hard, babe. Camping.
Should be top right or somewhere
Yeah.
around there. Yeah.
I have that orb. Lost.
Exit on me. I'll leave soon. I got last.
I have
And
exit soon.
exit probably. Yeah.
Lost. Exit. I'm gonna camp exit.
I have last.
I have exit. Shit, I think I'm dead. Yeah. And my jetpack's gone. Yeti basically woke up. I was gonna throw the Yeti, but he woke up just as I was
Uh,
throwing. So
I see it. I heard it above me. Above me. Somewhere around there. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
and this face is surprisingly good. What the fuck? Despite what happened.
Sorry. Sorry.
It's all good.
Frog in loop. I'm checking bottom. I don't see anything. Okay.
Tell me if you need me to help out. I think I'm on chainsaw screen. Exit is near top right. Middle right.
Should be top right. Like this. Okay.
Yeah, if there are any unreachable orbs, I'll try and help out. Chainsaw's exit. That's last.
I have exit.
Nice. Chainsaw doesn't work up there. Well, it's whatever. It's whatever.
Oh god, no. Yeah. That was kind of my fault. Should be middle. Oh my god. Don't pop, don't pop. I see it. I see it, but I don't have the jetpack in my hands. Okay, I got it. One up here. I got last. Can you get there? One. I got last.
Give the jetpack to beat, by the way.
Two. Oh. God,
This
exit.
bottom right.
One. Thing. There's a thing in the loop. How to.
This is like middle left.
I'm not sure if I'll get it.
I didn't expect that level to be that big.
See anything? Can you check like bottom right? I'm not sure if I. Okay. Okay, I see one orb and coffins. Both coffins and. Wait, let me revive him and then you leave. Okay.
Cool.
One.
I have exit. I haven't checked much of right.
Check middle. I'll check middle. Last. Do you know where it is?
So I assume you have exit?
Sorry, exit was horrible.
Yeah, it was bad. I saw it and I was like, well, it'll be fine, probably.
Got exit.
Oh, what the fuck happened to Cody?
Yeah. Oh, this airing loop.
Apple.
I don't see nothing. I don't see anything,
Don't
but
see anything. Got it.
oh my god. Okay, I'll leave. Oh, it's gonna be just we have 6:54 seconds or two left.
Top left square. It's not gonna. It can't be
Exit
that bad.
stop right.
I have exit.
Both poisoned. 1 HP.
Nice.
Nice.